brother at? Where's my brother?
Back up, back up, back up! Back up right now!
This villain was exposed during a simple traffic stop. A moment that turned his own neighborhood into chaos.
Hey driver, roll down all your windows for me, please. Roll down all your windows for me because of the tint. Oh, appreciate that.
You ain't got nobody in the car.
Well, I hear you. Just because of the tint, we got to make sure, right? Hey, all of a sudden you're passing a police car. Stop because you have my front license plate. Do you have a license, registration, insurance?
I got the license plate right here.
Oh, it's supposed to be on the front, man. What happened?
It fell off when I bought the car.
Yeah, it happens.
I just bought the car right now. You got a license plate right here.
Okay.
I got my ID.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
No, I just bought the car.
Right. But do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
No?
Suspended.
Hey, man, I really appreciate you being honest with me. All right. Hey, do me a favor, turn off the car for me, man.
That's my ID.
Okay.
Here go the registration.
You got anything with your name on?
Here go the registration. I just got the car right now. I'm going to show you the paperwork.
I believe, man. Do me a favor, can you turn off the car for me, though, please?
Turn it off?
Yeah, please. Thank you. All right, you step out there. We're going to have a talk on the sidewalk, all right?
You said step out?
Yeah, please.
Am I stepping off for, sir?
Well, you don't have a license, right? You have a suspended license? So we step out of the car.
Okay.
We're talking on the sidewalk, all right?
All right.
Let's walk with my partner over
I'll get
there.
my mask.
I'll come back and grab it for you, all right? Appreciate the concern, though. All right, man. No weapons, anything on you like that?
No,
Cool if I check real quick?
I'm good. Go ahead and check me.
All right, appreciate it. Put me back in like you're praying for me. Where you guys coming from right now?
We just got in the car. Right here from on Howard.
On Howard?
I just picked him up on Howard.
All right, you're good. You can relax, man.
I just picked him up right now, literally.
Okay.
2 seconds. Like, when y'all was coming up, I picked him up on Howard and Farrell.
Okay.
What? Stop right now!
Drop! 3822. Shots fired. Shots fired. Code 3 back. Code 3 back. My partner's in pursuit. Hey, black male. He's armed with a firearm. White shirt, black shorts. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
What did I do?
Get on the ground! Spread out!
I didn't do anything wrong.
Get on the ground!
Why are you making me get on the ground, sir? I ain't did nothing wrong. I complied with you. I ain't did nothing wrong.
Stay on the ground. Don't move. Don't move.
I'm not moving, bro. I ain't finna run from you. I ain't did nothing. I gave you my ID. I'm trying to figure out what the problem is. Can I at least sit down? Everything fine, sir?
Just relax, man. You're good, all right?
I hope so, man. You got me on the ground like I did something wrong.
Well, your buddy just pulled a gun out on my partner.
Oh, fucking serious?
Yeah.
You bullshit.
No, I just saw it.
So what that mean for me?
I don't know, man. We're figuring it out. Don't move.
No, I promise you. Hey, I don't know your name,
I got you, man.
but I promise you I just picked him up. I swear to God, he just flagged me down and told me he needed a ride to the park. You hear me, sir?
I hear you, man.
You're not gonna take my car, is you?
What's that?
You're not gonna take my
Hang
car.
out, man. This ain't time for questions right now, all right?
All right.
Hey, buddy. Hey, when you guys hook him up real quick?
Wait a minute, hold on. I didn't do nothing wrong.
I know, man. You're not in arrest right now. We're figuring out what's going on.
Wait a minute now. You just said I wasn't under arrest.
You're being detained, man.
As the pursuit began, the suspect ran while taking out a firearm. The officer fired, and during the chase, the suspect discarded the weapon onto the roadway. Moments later, the suspect stopped and surrendered, with gunshot wounds visible.
Hey, where's the gun?
Where's the gun? Where's the gun at? He tossed it up there.
All right.
I got him.
Keep your hands out. Keep your hands out.
Come on, I can't bring you.
I got you.
Ambulance coming, buddy. Ambulance coming. Ambulance is coming.
How many times have you shot?
Hold on. Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Okay. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna help you.
I'm gonna help you, okay? Come on. Hey, I need your arm.
Get on.
Stop reaching. Hey, I'm gonna help him.
Get back!
Hey, I got pressure, okay? Hey, I'm playing.
Back up! Back up! Back up! Where's the weapon at? I got you. Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up right now! Back up right now! Back up right now! Back up!
What are you about to do?
Back up!
What are you about to do? Ain't nobody approach you.
We need you to now.
He shot the fucking gun.
Go, back up!
They're coming. They're coming.
You're good. I got you.
Make sure he's good. My homie died. I swear to God.
I'm trying.
I got you.
He stole fucking weapon.
Good. Back up. Keep your space. Back up right now. You'll get it. Don't worry. You'll get it. Back up. Back up. Go back up.
He has a shot on his back that I had to let go of.
That's fine, no worries.
Where's my brother at? Where's my brother? Where the fuck is my brother? What's
man?
Where the fuck is that? Where's my brother? Where the fuck is my brother?
Fuck y'all. Clean it up.
Y'all still shooting blacks, nigga.
I see your ass at Target, bitch ass nigga. Fuck that shit up right now, nigga.
You don't bust a touchy, Rosa.
I got him.
You don't bust a touchy, Rosa. You ain't know that bust a touchy, Rosa. Get in my face. You're straight bitch ass motherfuckers. That's what you is. So bitch ass.
I'm about to go fuck up Target. I'm about to go fuck up Walmart. I'm gonna see these bitch ass niggas right there.
Slowly push him south, please.
Man, fuck you. Don't put your hands on me. Fuck you. I'm not going over. They should have never been shooting at people. It's okay for y'all to shoot at people. That's cool. Y'all, you got a kid, huh?
I do.
Okay,
Yes.
so how would you feel if somebody shoot at your kid?
I wasn't here. I don't know what happened.
Y'all killed him?
No, he was breathing when he left. He was breathing.
He was breathing. Oh my God. When he left. You know what?
That's all I know.
One shot him.
That I don't know.
Well, you need to find out because you can give a fuck when he left or not. This is fucking sick.
Go north, Cerrito.
Yes, sir.
The suspect had prior felony convictions and was prohibited from possessing firearms. The gun was later recovered and illegally assembled.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.